What is going on, everybody? It is Ian here with Miller Garage, and as you may have noticed, I am not at my shop. I am actually up here at the dealership that I used to work at, and I wanted to talk to you guys about this whole Bronco thing. So I released a few videos previously about how I was going to be getting the new Bronco, and I was pretty excited about it, but things have actually changed a little bit, and to be truthfully honest, me and Lauren talked about stuff, and we went back and really decided that that probably wasn't the best idea, and so there was something else that honestly would make a little bit more sense, and I think all of you guys that have Airstreams can relate about needing this specific thing when you have an Airstream trailer, and so we're going to talk about that. So I'm going to go in. I need to talk to a salesperson and get with financing. We already got the deal pretty much worked, so I just need to go sign some paperwork, and then I will show you guys what it is that we're getting. All right, we're just gonna look around and see if we can find what I'm looking for. Let's see, we got some trucks looking like some F-150s here. And by the way, I am here at Planet Ford 635, and that is in Garland, Texas, which is about 45 minutes from where I am and very close to Dallas. This is where I used to work, and they actually just recently rebranded from Prestige Ford, which is what I was used to Planet Ford, to kind of be a part of the whole Planet Ford group, and this is definitely the best one. Not that I'm biased or anything. This is getting kind of closer to what I'm looking for. It's a Super Duty, but that's not it. That's not what I'm looking for. That's not the right one, at least. So, and this dealership, back to that, is one of the top award-winning dealerships in the nation, and I need to get all the stats, and in another video I'll talk about that because I can't remember everything off the top of my head. But let's just say they got some of the top awards for customer service, for sales, all these things, all these markers when it comes to helping clients, and so that's really freaking awesome. Very few dealerships actually achieve what they have. I've walked pretty far out here, and I think it might be lost, so I'm gonna head back this way. But I really like these new F-150s. Let me go over to one. This one, ooh, this color looks awesome. This is great. Let me show you guys real quick. Check that out. That gray, it's hard to see in video, but it looks killer. I love the new front on these. So good. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go back. I just I need to find Ian. Not me, but other Ian. So we'll see if we can find what it is I'm looking for. This is probably what I miss about the dealership the most, is seeing this every day. All right, so I finally found Ian, and we got the deal worked out, and I'm excited. You guys got to see this. I'm super stoked. I know it was a little bit disappointing that I wasn't getting the Bronco, but I think this is, honestly, I'm more excited. I think this is going to be better. So let me just flip around here. Check that out. That's right. It is a brand new F-250 Lariat, and I'm so excited. So I want to do a full reveal video of this because it's late, as you can see, and I just got this done, and we got so much stuff going on. So I'm going to take this and head back home, and then, like I said, in an upcoming week, I'm going to go over everything and why I went with this instead of the Bronco. And obviously, one of the big reasons is that the F-250 Super Duty is the best tow vehicle you can possibly get. So we're gonna go over that because we're just ending the debate. I've seen the debates all over Facebook and all over the forums, and we're just ending it. So look forward to that. As always, if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Facebook and all that good stuff, and we will see you next week.